Guys, it's yours truly, P. Joe in Pattaya. Have a look at these condos. That's the back of the Grand Avenue, Soi 15. And there's a couple of hotels in this Soi, and that's City Garden. But I wanted to show you just this. This is a beer bar complex that no one ever knew was here. They had about 20 bars upstairs and downstairs. Look at that. It was built by, you can see the sign there, Archon. Ratri Him Star Bar. You can see the little inside. But that would have been crazy, but I don't think it really opened. We'll go for a look, Soi Buakhao. Saturday, 14th of August. It's about 6 p.m. Looks like it's going to rain as well, but we'll go take a look. You can see up there the clouds are forming. Party is still the same. Curfew 9 p.m. Go to your room. In 2 hours everything closes. There's nothing much open anyway. We'll go have a look. There's always something changing here. Always building something. This is Soi Buakhao. That building there with the crane is going to be a hotel, I read. Called the Bua Hotel. Putting it up pretty quick. A good little spot. The Bua. Look at this place. Soi Boomerang. All the little clubs there, they haven't opened for a long time. It was hot today, it's about 31. It's cooled down a bit now. Money exchanges are pretty much closed now. There's the rates. I don't know if they were open today or not. Busy little intersection here. Still no one around. Oh, the club, the warehouse club. Have a look at this. They're slowly working on that. Put the big steel doors in there. That's going to be ready to open whenever we open. LK Metro. Nothing happening there. Only a couple of restaurants open. As you can see, guys, if you came here on holidays now, you'd probably be disappointed because everything's closed. Save your money and wait a few months till we know what's happening. The Tree Town area here, everyone gets their food. Look how quiet it is here even. A couple of little restaurants. That's it. Crazy, where is everyone? I guess it's going to rain shortly, but everyone just sits along the steps here. Amazing, they set little shops up anywhere in the middle of the streets. But anyway, a bit of good news, the COVID cases went down only a little bit. But it's better than nothing, better than going up. At least there's one positive. There's a few people around here now just getting their food. That building's going up quick. There's Central. Can't even go to the gym because they're all closed. Have to exercise in your room pretty much. Let's go have a look at the Archon S-Bend. Western Union's busy. Yeah, look, all closed. Be a busy night tonight. The England football starts again. Salons are all still closed. Can't even get a haircut. Remember these little bars? I never really went up here. A couple of little bars. They started taking off okay. Maybe they'll come back. That's Soi Buakhao, guys. Probably the busiest spot there is. And there's not a real lot to do. Let's hope things improve. There's all those new shops they build along here too. Well, I wish I could show you a bit more, guys, but as you can see, it's just empty shutters pretty much. Hotels, everything. Dying a slow death. They don't open up soon. But stay safe, everyone. It's P. Joe, Uru, and over and out.